Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to customize your shop banner on Etsy. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now until the end. Now we've got this article from Help Center of Etsy that shows us exactly what we can change on our shop's appearance. So you can define your brand and show buyers what makes your shop unique by customizing your shop's appearances. To give your shop more visibility, use creative elements like banners and icons. Strategically arrange the items of your shop and feature items you want to showcase to buyers. So, what can we do to change our banner? So, go ahead. So, shop banners are the largest branding assets for your shop. This image appears when shoppers view your shop on the standard view of the website as well as on mobile devices. So to add your shop banners, go to Etsy.com, go to Shop Manager, then select the pencil icon next to your shop name under Sales Channels. Then select Banner to showcase your brand and listings at the top of the page. Choose the type of banner you want, then choose Done. You have two styles of banner to choose from: the mini banner, a narrow image with a minimum size of 1200 and 160 pixels, and there is another type which is the big banner, a large image with a minimum size of 1200 times 300 pixels. If you do not want a banner for your shop, then select none. This will move your listing higher up on the page because more advanced shop banner options such as the carousel banner or college banner are available on the Etsy Plus subscribers. So this is a premium feature. And yeah, with that being said, that's pretty much it how you can customize your shop banner. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.